That did not work at all. All right, I'm gonna have to rethink my strategy here. Probably add more binder. BRB, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something that I have never done on my channel before. I've actually never have done it in life before. It's my very first time doing this, but I'm making shower steamers today. And what shower steamers are is basically a bath bomb, but you use it in your shower. And the point of it is not to fill up your bath with foam and color. It's to fill up your shower with an amazing scent. And that scent is usually made using menthol crystals or essential oils. So that's what today's video is all about. And if that's something that you are interested in, keep watching. It's actually a really beautiful day today. The sun is out, it's super warm. And I know it's not exactly cold season where a shower steamer would likely be used to clear up your sinuses, but it is allergy season. And I figure with me, I have allergies to my cat, to grass, to the outdoors in general. A shower steamer sounds so good right now to help clear up my sinuses, and that's why I'm making those today. I've been wanting to make shower steamers for a while, and I actually got all of the ingredients, the menthol crystals, everything to make them a while back, but I've just been so busy. But the Bath Bomb Press did send this shower puck mold, which creates a disc, I think, when pressed, which means this should make the perfect shower steamer shape. So today I'm going to be attempting to make shower steamers using this mold here. So this shower steamer recipe is pretty basic. We are going to be adding some menthol crystals, which provides such a great big boost to the scent that the shower steamer is going to be creating when the water hits it. And also some essential oils. To harden the bath bomb, I'm going to add a little bit of kaolin clay, and then to melt these crystals, I'm going to melt them in a little bit of alcohol. So again, I've never done this before. This is completely new. This video is either going to be a video of great success or a great failure, but in any case, I'm glad you guys are here with me to experience all of that. I just turned on my dehumidifier and it's 69 now. And that's what happens in Southern Ontario. As soon as the nice weather hits, the humidity comes with it. So if you're struggling with bath bombs right now and you live in Southern Ontario, grab a dehumidifier. It might solve 90% of the bath bomb issues that you're having right now. Another big reason why I'm making shower steamers is because it might be the #1 thing that people ask me to make, or the #1 thing that people ask me about when they come into my booth when I'm vending at a farmer's market. People really love shower steamers, and I've been dying to try out this mold from the Bath Bomb Press. It actually is a shampoo disc mold. I really think it's going to be the perfect shape for shower steamers, so we'll see how it turns out. We'll see. So because I'm using these solid menthol crystals in the shower steamer, the first step I'm going to do is dissolve those menthol crystals in a little bit of liquid. I was going to use alcohol, but I think I'm going to just dissolve them in the essential oil that I'm using. Today's shower steamers are going to be a eucalyptus mint shower steamer, because when it comes to the scent of essential oils, the most sinus clearing that I have encountered are eucalyptus and mint. So we're gonna start with that. And because this is a new product, a new process, I'm gonna be making a smaller batch than I usually do. So to start off, I'm going to put a little bit of the essential oil in this bowl, put my menthol crystals in there, and then have them melt as I'm mixing everything else. Do you guys see these menthol crystals? This is the first time I'm working with this type of ingredient, and these look really cool. And you can smell right away that they are quite strong. It's a really potent scent of mint that's coming through, which, you know, is expected because they're menthol crystals. I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to crush them up because they seem pretty large, and I don't know if they'll actually melt in my essential oil, but we're all discovering this together. Let's see here. So I have my menthol crystals in here. I'm going to measure out some of my, actually all of my essential oil that I'm going to be using into this small container here, and then add it into my bowl with my menthol crystals to let those menthol crystals melt down. So I added my essential oils to my menthol crystals, but they don't seem to be covering the menthol crystals too well, so I will add just a little bit of alcohol to this. I'm gonna use my 99% isopropyl alcohol to do that. Already the scent is amazing. Just add a little bit. I think I'm gonna add just enough to cover them. And I'm good with that. And just from my observation, they do seem to be dissolving in this liquid. So I'm guessing if you ground up your menthol crystals before you do this, they will dissolve much faster if you're in a time crunch. But it's really cool to see this happening. Pretty amazing, and it smells so good, wow. So I'm going to set these aside and let them melt over time. And the next step I'm going to do is combine my dry ingredients. So my baking soda, my citric acid, and my clay. This theoretically should be a lot easier than, than making bath bombs. There's a lot less ingredients. There's not that pressure for the bath bomb to spin and float and throw amazing colors. It's just simply a vessel to allow you to inhale some really nice mint and eucalyptus scent. So the pressure is a little bit light right now, but I'm still feeling pressure making this video. I really hope that it turns out okay. I'm actually going to be using 2 parts baking soda to 1 part citric acid. This is such a small batch, guys. So after combining all of my dry ingredients, I'll blend them using my KitchenAid stand mixer. A bit of an update on the menthol crystals dissolving in my eucalyptus essential oil. They are completely melted down, which is good. I actually had to help them along a little bit by crushing them. So I do recommend before dissolving them, to make it go a little bit faster, to crush up your crystals before diluting them. But this is all melted down. So what I'm gonna do is add this to my mixer, have it mix it up, and I don't know if I'll add more binder. We'll see how well the mix binds with just the alcohol I use to melt down the menthol crystals. If I feel like the mix isn't staying together, I might spritz it with a little bit of water, but I think this is enough liquid as is. And the next time you see me, I'll be on the next step. So I added the menthol crystal and eucalyptus solution, and it seems to definitely need more binder, so I'm going to spritz some water into this and see if I can get a better consistency for molding. So I have my shower steamer mix all ready to go. I think I'm going to load up my mold with the stuff, and we'll see how well it comes together. I'm gonna fill this to the top, not really gonna press down much, and then I'm going to I normally do a coned or a domed top when it comes to bath bombs, but because this is going to be flat, I'm gonna smooth out the top like this, and I'm gonna press it, see what happens. That did not work at all. All right, I'm gonna have to rethink my strategy here, probably add more binder. BRB, guys. So, update, guys. I don't think this recipe is compatible with the bath bomb press. It's definitely different from my normal recipe that works great with the bath bomb press, so might be the reason why I'm struggling. The press seems to not bring the two halves together, so what I think I will do as a plan B is take this 1/2 of a bath bomb mold. I'm going to fill it up and press it in. Just give it a firm pat down and make a shower steamer that way. I think, yeah, see, these mold fine. It's just I think my bath bomb mold doesn't like this recipe too much. Oh, that doesn't seem to be good either. Oh no, guys, this is not happening. I need to press down even firmer. I don't even know. I tried pressing them in the hearts. That wasn't working. So let's see if I'm able to get them to come together this way. Because if this doesn't work, that's sad. So how if I nope. No, they're just too delicate. They're not, it's not happening, guys. It's not happening. Man, I don't know. It's a little bit more water to bind, because that might be it. I might need a little bit more water. Let me try spritzing again. Be right back. It didn't work out. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. It's not pressing together and it's falling apart. So I think because my bath bomb recipe does really good with this bath bomb press, I think I might change things up. I'm gonna keep this mix. I don't want to waste it. And I will get back to you after I've come up with a recipe that's closer to what I usually do, and yeah, see if that makes any sort of difference. Be right back. I'm telling you, this channel isn't just about showing all of my successes. You are seeing a play-by-play of a bath bomb maker failing at something. So anyways, I will be back in a second. Update, guys. I have found a solution. Because my bath bomb press was not cooperating with this recipe, I decided to pull out my old Cada mold. And this is a mold that I have had for quite some time. It's actually what I used to press my shampoo bars before I moved on to the bath bomb press. But I tried making a shower steamer using it and it worked. So I'm going to try to make a few more with this and see what happens. Fingers crossed I won't waste this batch and I can get a few more out of this. So what I do is fill my Cada mold to the top, and I'm going to take the top here and just press down real hard. I want to press down with some firmness to get really pressed. And then I'm going to lift this up to check on it. Okay. You might need to do it a few times because I find that because this mix is so powdery, and this is technically a shampoo bar mold, when you lift it up, the powder is going to come up the sides and you're going to want to press it back down with the top. So just do it a few times and then you'll see that it looks like that. And to transfer this onto your tray safely, this is how I do it. I think I'm going to flip it around, pull the under part of it out. You can see it's perfectly formed there. And I'll show you how I unmold this guy right here. Everything is so chaotic, I feel, when I'm doing something for the first time. So I'll just go like this, upside down, press down on it, and then just continue to press down. And there you go. There's my second shower steamer. So let's see if I can make a few more, because even though these guys they look okay, I don't know how solid they will actually be in a couple of hours. You never know with bath bombs, right? This is actually not even a bath bomb, it's very bath bomb-like. But I should be able to get 3 and a small one that I can test in my own shower and let you guys know whether or not that's going to, if it's actually good or not. One thing about these 3D printed molds, they are great, but they're breakable in my opinion. I actually stopped using this and wanted to grab the bath bomb press because this Cada mold was starting to come apart on me a little bit. And seeing as how it's made from 3D printed plastic, then it's not a surprise that these guys are kind of delicate. Let's see here. Woo! Oh my gosh. We're good, we're good. So it looks like I was able to get 3 shower steamers out of this tiny batch. And oh, here's one last tester. It would be really great if I could get this to work using my bath bomb press somehow, because this isn't exactly wrist friendly. Here's my last tester. Let's pause at you. See, that one's even breaking apart a little bit. So we'll see if this one makes it through, but these 3 seem pretty solid, which is good. I don't really want to press them too much or play around with them because they seem really delicate. Yeah, fingers crossed everything works out. Yeah, see, this guy's starting to fall apart on me. No! You're my tester. I mean, if these make pretty good shower steamers, I don't know if I would be able to improve this recipe enough to sell it. I'm gonna have to definitely do some tweaking here, guys, because this is not time friendly, and I don't want to sell something that is not easy to make a lot of quickly. So, oof. Smells good in here though. At least my allergies seem to be clearing, but I don't know if these guys will ever be a product in our product line. But I'm glad I tried them out. I will give you an update on these guys and let you know if they survive after a couple hours once they've hardened. So yeah. Shower steamer updates. It's been a few hours now and these guys are still holding their shape and I can pick them up, which is good. I think they're gonna make it, guys. I think they're gonna make it. So I'm going to say this isn't exactly a success. I made shower steamers, but I still have to test them.
Oh, those smell like my Ricola cough drops. They just open up your nasals. I eat these cough drops when I'm not even sick because like it just opens you up. Oh, that's what they smell like.
Yeah, they're holding together pretty well. They smell really good. The whole room smells amazing. And this is gonna be my test shower steamer that I don't know if it'll make it, but the other ones seem to be pretty solid, holding their shape. And that is today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle and fail to make shower steamers. And if you liked that, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. I definitely want to keep trying to make shower steamers and make it successfully and make it quickly so that it's a viable product to add to our line. But right now, the process seems a little bit too clunky, and that's definitely because it's my first attempt at doing something like this, so it's not really a surprise. But the thing is to keep going and keep trying and keep tweaking. I already have some ideas as to what I can do the next time to see whether or not that works. I think the thing that tripped it up was there might have been too much kaolin clay. I might cut down on that, but we'll see. It's going to be an ongoing process. There is Kale in the background. Kale, I failed making shower steamers. That's life.
That's life. You'll do better next time.
You can't win everything,
yeah,
right?
Yeah. You'll be. They look good. I know that they're probably crumbly, but you'll do better next time.
They actually look pretty decent. I guess.
I'm confident you'll figure out what the problem is and
yeah,
fix it.
The fail that I'm referring to is that I was not able to make them through the bath bomb press, and that is what I'm going to try to do, is try to find a shower steamer recipe that I can get my bath bomb press to press together and it stays together. But we'll see. Again, I will keep you updated on that. And until the next video, guys, keep smiling, have an amazing weekend, and keep being awesome and rocking it in your businesses. And of course, keep making beautiful things, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. I was trying to find you.
Oh.
It's like, oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go?